From the home menu, you right click, then you select settings. Next menu here, click on privacy and security. On the right, scroll all the way down. Once you see advanced, click on advanced and scroll all the way down until you see user interface. There it is, and then you can see show traces or most recently used tabs. Now to enable it, you have to choose always, more than 5 tabs, more than 15 tabs, or more than 30 tabs. Disable it, just choose never. It's as simple as that. Now this is what I'm talking about. The ones that I used recently, you look at it down here, you see the lines that show down here. This one hasn't been used in a while, it's true, that is why you see the lines are lighter. Now you look here, you see this one, it's a little more colored because I used it most recently. Now the one you used previously will show like a yellow kind of line underneath it. While this is lighter because I haven't actually opened it in a while. So that's it, these are the traces we're talking about. Now you couldn't see them before clearly, but now I believe you can. So let's go back. Now if I try to turn it off, they're gone. That's it.